PricePedia is a platform supporting business intelligence dedicated to those operating in the procurement world. It represents an innovative resource designed to meet the needs of professionals and companies seeking a comprehensive and reliable solution to manage and analyze prices of raw materials and semi-finished products. The price data section is the beating heart of PricePedia, a rich and comprehensive database that encompasses thousands of price series. Customs prices derived from import and export declarations of EU businesses provide an accurate and objective view of the prices of approximately 800 commodities' actual transactions. Financial quotes, originating from the main global stock exchanges, provide an additional contribution by offering daily updated data on price levels and market trends. In addition to prices, the PricePedia database includes numerous other indicators, allowing for a complete and detailed view of the overall market. PricePedia also publishes a 2-year forecast scenario monthly, covering over 250 commodities. The forecasts, meticulously crafted, take into account various factors, including costs, supply and demand conditions, financial market expectations, and potential short-term shocks. In addition to graphical and tabular visualization, PricePedia offers a range of advanced tools for data analysis, including tools for generating statistics and analyzing correlation among historical series. These tools provide a comprehensive view of the relationships between various market elements, allowing for the identification of significant trends and informed decision-making. A particularly notable tool is the Should Cost tool, which allows users to create custom price indices based on PricePedia data or data uploaded to the platform by users. With PricePedia, you will have access to a complete and reliable platform to manage and analyze the prices of your purchases, make informed decisions, and stay up to date with developments in the commodities markets. Contact us to request a demo or a 7-day free trial.